Maintaining a beautiful pond can be a challenge, especially when it comes to keeping the water clear and healthy for fish. Here are the 5 best pond pumps I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, High-Blow HP80 Pond Aerator. Let's kick things off with the High-Blow HP80 Pond Aerator, which retails for around $274. What caught my attention about this one is that it's the #1 selling septic aerator in the USA. If you want efficient aeration for your pond, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This pump is designed to aerate ponds up to half an acre in size and depths of 10 feet or less. It's crucial for keeping your water clean and clear, which is vital for the health of your fish. The energy efficiency is impressive, and because it's oil-free and UL rated for outdoor use, you can rely on it in any weather. Plus, it can be rebuilt 2 times for a fraction of the cost of a new unit, which is a huge bonus if you plan on using it long-term. Now, some people have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in an outdoor setting, the noise is minimal compared to the benefits of keeping your pond healthy. But if you're really sensitive to noise, it might be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you have a larger pond and need consistent aeration. Skip this one if you're looking for a pump that's quiet or if you have a smaller pond. Considering its premium quality, this is a solid investment for serious pond owners. Now, if the noise level of the High-Blow bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Knifel Submersible Pump. We have the Knifel Submersible Pump, priced at just $37.04. This one caught my eye because it's ultra quiet and designed for multiple applications, making it a great budget-friendly option. If you want a reliable pump that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. With a flow rate of 880 gallons per hour, this pump can handle fountains, aquariums, and even hydroponic systems. It's designed to be energy efficient, so you won't see a huge spike in your electric bill. Plus, its filter sponge helps prevent blockages, ensuring your water stays clean and clear, which is a must for your fish. Now, some users complained about the pump's power cord being a bit short, but honestly, if you're just using it for smaller setups or close to an outlet, it's not a huge issue. Plus, it's easy to detach and clean, which is a significant advantage. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact and versatile pump for small to medium applications. Skip this one if you need something for larger ponds or need a longer power cord. At this price point, it offers fantastic value for money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your pond water clear. Product number 3, the Popo Soap Pond Filter with Pump, retailing for $59.49. This caught my attention because it combines both filtration and pumping in one unit, which is pretty convenient. If you're looking for a complete solution for a small pond, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This unit has a maximum flow rate of 660 gallons per hour, making it perfect for ponds of up to 1,180 gallons. It helps maintain a balanced and clear water environment, while protecting your fish from pump impellers. Plus, it comes with a fountain kit that adds a beautiful water feature while aerating the pond, which is a win-win. However, some users mentioned that the fountain spray could be weaker than expected. But here's the thing, it's still effective for aeration, and you can always adjust the flow to suit your needs. It's also easy to maintain, which is critical for any pond owner. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for a small pond. Skip this one if you have a larger pond or want something more powerful. For the price, you really can't beat the value it provides. Now, if you're looking for something with a higher flow rate, the next pump might just be what you need. Product number 4, Water Rebirth High Flow Pump. We have the Water Rebirth High Flow Pump, priced at $64.13. This caught my eye because it's designed for high-flow applications, boasting up to 3,200 gallons per hour. If you want a powerful pump for larger setups, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. Its amphibious design means it works well in various settings, from ponds to aquariums. The thermal overload protection ensures it won't burn out, which adds peace of mind when you're away from home. Plus, it's ultra quiet, so you won't be disturbed by noise while enjoying your peaceful pond. However, some users pointed out that it requires regular maintenance, especially in dirty water. I'll be real with you, that might be a hassle if you have a busy lifestyle. But if you can commit to cleaning it monthly, the performance is worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you have a large pond that needs a robust pump. Skip this one if you're not up for regular maintenance or have a smaller setup. Overall, it's a solid investment for the features it offers. Now, if you want something designed for quieter use, the final product might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Tongchant 100W Pond Pump. We have the Tongchant 100W Pond Pump, which is available for $64.52. I was impressed by its powerful flow rate of 1,800 gallons per hour and the adjustable outlet. If you need a pump that provides flexibility and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed to handle everything from koi ponds to waterfalls, ensuring smooth circulation. The dual filter system keeps debris out, preventing clogs, and its quiet operation means you can enjoy your pond without distractions. Plus, the easy setup and maintenance make it user-friendly for anyone. Now, some folks have noted that it can be tricky to clean without tools, which can be a pain, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not that bad. Just keep an eye on the water conditions and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pump for various water features. Skip this one if you prefer something that's completely tool-free for cleaning. For what you get, it's definitely worth the investment.
So, to recap, we've looked at 5 fantastic pond pumps. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Hyblo HP80 Pond Aerator because it truly excels at maintaining healthy oxygen levels in larger ponds. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Waterfall Submersible pump if you need something for larger applications, since it's better suited for smaller setups. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.